What we do is every interview we do, we pick a new song so that the other song doesn't feel bad.
Welcome Sachin Jigar on E-Time. Tell me how this unlock phase is going for you both.
Unlock phase, yeah, it is definitely more inspiring than the lockdown. So it is going fine as of now. We've started working on movies, we've started working on singles. Yeah, it's the fun is coming back in life.
What about you, Sachin?
Well, it has certainly unlocked the musician inside us. And, we've been busy delivering to Bollywood demands. So this unlock gave us enough time for family, which is the most important thing. Because just having that one dinner regularly with the family for such a long time used to seem like a fantasy to me. So some quality family time and some quality time to oneself, health, just like Jigar said, to our independent, stance. So this lockdown has been good for us.
Okay. So from Cyborg, in Soren City and to Bandu Ella, your singles have done you guys have a different music altogether. So what do you have to say? Like what basically you guys put into it, while making music and talking about songs and all. What do you guys actually do about it?
Well, usually what we do is, we are slightly old school in this particular regard because we come from, sort of a theatre background. So the story drives us. Actually, honestly, in media or in films, in general, story should be the hero. That should really decide, what sort of music is required for a particular film. But the good part about me and Jigar is that we've never really limited our ability to a certain genre or to a particular type of script or particular type of music. So what it does is when there's a different script, it automatically kicks me and Jigar to do something different. Like for example, a love song for Shore in the City and a love song for Tere Naal Love Ho Gaya, or a love song for Badlapur has to be different. And there is no real fun in getting typecasted in a particular style. And the industry can typecast you real soon. कि अगर ये आपने 3 पार्टी के गाने अच्छे सुपर हिट दे दिए तो इंडस्ट्री वांट्स टू थिंक कि भैया ये तो पार्टी सॉन्ग भी बना सकते हैं. So we never really wanted that, and that is also a virtue of our working experience with Rajesh Roshan, with Pritam sir, with Anu Malik ji, with A.R. Rahman sir, with Sandesh Chandeli ji. So we've learned so many different styles of approaching a particular situation, and it's great and it is really useful while we compose. So it's fun to be versatile and to be able to deliver for different asks.
Jigar, what do you have to say?
Yes, I think now we pretty much come back to terms with what we say about our composing style or our music, because it is pretty much what Sachin said. We look at films as scripts first, and we have to deliver to that particular actor, that particular character, to be more precise. And the director, of course, comes with his own world of expectations. So it is good working with people who know what they want, and it gets the best out of us.
And from your combination of music, with this song, this has been your personal favorite for both of you from your list of songs, because I'm going to let you guys sing.
From our list of songs, actually, I don't think there is one song which we can call unfavorite, because all of them are. And what we do is every interview we do, we pick a new song so that the other song doesn't feel bad. So maybe today we can say which is our most favorite. Kudi Nu Nachne De from Angrezi Movie.
Okay, Angrezi.
Yeah.
So you sing few lines for us, for all the fans out there. We're talking together. I want to hear because I'm doing recording. Both
Let's
of
do
you can do
it.
that.
Let you start, I'll follow.
Yeah. To start. I don't know the lyrics actually. You guys would be knowing it. I cannot sing.
Sachin, तेरा mic mute है.
Okay. कुड़ी नू नचने दे हाँ नचने दे रिवाज लगाने दे ठुमके हाँ हाँ जम के कुड़ी नू नचने
नचने दे ओ नचने दे तू सारी फिक्रां नु छड़ के पावर से कुड़ी नू नचने दे.
Also, like, what do you have to say about the music industry overall? Do you guys also find your difficulty while, like, getting projects because, you are a stand-alone, the kind of path you have made in the industry? Do you find your own difficulty while, working in the music industry? Because, I would say a word like selfish, I would use, that is what happens, in the industry. So tell us about your struggles while, figuring out work in music industry.
Our biggest struggle has been to fight our own last hit, or to find. It has never been to satisfy a certain hit genre. We've always tried to make something and then try to repeat it and never repeat it again. So our struggle has been that when a producer has heard 4 baj gaye lekin party abhi baki hai, if he comes to us saying, okay, we want a song like 4 baj gaye lekin party abhi baki hai, that is something we don't want to do. But we'd want to make a Nacho Sare Ji party, or we'd want to move the genre and make something different. So our struggle has been to convince the producer, okay, let's move on, it's done. Let's move on and try something new. And another big struggle that we've faced is we've always held our ground on doing the whole album. Where every music director these days has, this has been a new format, and I completely appreciate it that a director or a producer will go to multiple composers and assemble an album. That's something that we both don't agree on, or we both cannot become a part of, because we cannot feel enough for the script and hence cannot deliver our best. Yeah, so our struggle still has been to, hold on to a whole album and deliver the best of the script. So that is our struggle. Otherwise, we've taken all the rejections as a part to learning or to growing. So I wouldn't say that is a struggle. The struggle has been to keep our ground strong and to keep delivering better than our last year.
Sachin, what do you have to say on this?
Yeah, so I think usually people think that as an industry it is difficult to enter this without some prior link, or without having somebody in the family who's associated with Bollywood to push you go forward. But that is really not the case, and I'm saying this for all the youngsters watching, that it's not. This is a very welcoming industry. So if you've really got talent and if you're ready to work hard, I mean, those are prerequisites anyway. But if you are that much, तो ये इंडस्ट्री अपनी बाहें खोल के आपको वेलकम करेगी. So the struggle, there might be one understanding of the funda that there is a struggle to get here, but I don't think there is a real struggle to get here. If you've got a song, if you've got a story, if you've got some potential, then Bollywood is always hungry to consume you. The real struggle starts once your first piece of work becomes popular, because that is when people start to assume, expect, and that is when you need to deliver to sustain. So I think me and Jigar have mostly focused on sustaining with quality work, quality versatile work. So I'm so far so good, and with God's blessing, here's hoping that we can do more interviews and you can ask us this question again next time.
Gradually, music stores are actually cutting, and it's giving way to online shops. What are your thoughts on that? Do you accept this, this physical change, coming to digital? What do you have to say on that?
Yeah, I think it is a very welcoming change. I feel, and with times, like when EPs went out and cassettes came in, and then cassettes went out and CDs came in. So I think this change is going to, like how they say, it's going to be constant, and we have to accept, acknowledge, and now produce and make music for that and cater to that. So very, very welcoming, and it is making the music reach more people more easily. So there is the benefit, but again, it might not be very, very encouraging for a musician financially, because the piracy and the lack of control over what you're selling is not going to generate enough revenue. So sustenance for a musician can become an issue. but if it's consumed correctly, it can also boon, act like a boon to us. So it's very welcoming, and I think it's very, very encouraging.
Sachin, what do you have to say on this?
Yeah, you see how even movies are now consumed on OTT platforms.
Yeah.
So it's a similar phase for music, wherein you are listening to popular music in an annual subscription on a streaming platform. The difference really is now there is dedicated audience for an artist. Like you are listening to Best of Arijit Singh on a platform. So what it does, it gives power to the artist, but it also puts that much more responsibility on the artist. So every artist is now working for his own set of audiences, for his own set of fans, and that makes you more responsible. That makes you, take responsibility, put out content, and make sure that your own fan base is secure with the content you are giving them. So what it has done is, it has done two things. One, it has given power in the hands of the artist now. Second, it has broadened the listening ears because it is on a fingertip in your smartphone. You are listening to perhaps Yugoslavian music too. So what it has done is it has broadened the listener. It has made the listener's ears richer, and you can expect more quality music to be served and to be appreciated. Even though we are in a transitionary phase, and the sort of viral music or the sort of very, very popular music is not exactly essentially good quality music only right now. But I believe that this is almost like a transitionary phase, and there will be a phase where people will ask and enjoy quality music.
Okay. What are your upcoming projects for both of you?
Oh,
got a lot of films coming, about 5 films to be precise. 3 are already shot, 1 is slated for release. 2 films are ready with the background score. And like I said, that we've been on a creative high in this lockdown, so it's exciting. We have 3 films with Maddox. We have 1 film with Abhishek Kapoor, and we have another film with Abhishek Jain. There is another film we have 6 films. We have 1 film with Umesh Shukla. So a lot of music is coming your way. Brace yourselves.
Of course, we are going to watch a lot of films from your end, but also what personally, when you are family and all, do they also demand, come on now, it's party time, since you guys have come home and sing and all? Is that the kind of scenario at home?
Yeah, always.
Yeah. Scenario at home is always musical. That I can tell you. But because we are we are more homely as people, and so that it's not always party time, but there is music in some way.
Thank you so much, and all the best for all the projects you're working on.
Thank you.
Wish you the same, Samina.
Thank you.